Hello and welcome back. And today we are going to be building this a new app where we're gonna use Vision Framework to identify faces on the screen. Basically, recognize the face vision using the Vision Framework. So in this, as you can see in the demo app, we were able to click on the screen, and the Vision Framework could find most of the faces that are there on the screen. So let's take a look at another example. So I'm going to tap on the screen and we'll wait a little bit, and there you go. And as you can see, it actually does a pretty good job finding faces even when they are at a different of a different size, looking at different directions and stuff like that. And this is definitely far better than what we used to have in CI detector, core image detector. So this is the app demo, and we are going to be building this app from scratch. So let's get started.